This brand is made in Korea by Huawei, and the units can be purchased directly through their website or on Amazon in the USA and Canada. The units feature 3 stages of filtration with a pre-filter, carbon filter, and true HEPA filter. They have a built-in air quality sensor that can control the fan speeds for energy savings when the unit is set for auto mode. The units have a noise rating that is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator during normal operation and is whisper quiet in sleep mode. They are backed by a very good warranty that covers the motors for 5 years and includes a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied for any reason. The 250 Art model has an enhanced look and feel to it thanks to the artwork of Haley Hills, who is an internationally renowned artist. The unit has an 881 square feet coverage area combined with a 261 CADR rating and a relatively quiet 51 decibel noise rating at high speed. The 300 model has a coverage area of 1,256 square feet with a 285 CADR and features real-time monitoring with a color indicator of air quality on the front of the unit, while the 300S model includes Wi-Fi control through a smartphone app. The 400 unit has a 1,560 square feet coverage area and a 328 CADR rating, while the 400S includes Wi-Fi control through a smartphone. The ProX model is their largest with a 2,126 square feet coverage combined with a 596 delivery rate and a very quiet 46 decibel noise rating even on high speed.